Hi, my name is India Hutcherson. I am 28 years old and I am a stay-at-home mom of 3 beautiful children. I joined SVG Superstar to learn something new, and because of the limited time that I have to actually make things with my craft machine, and also because of the limited materials that I have to make things with my craft machine. Having 3 kids in a household, money is kind of tight and it can be kind of hard trying to budget. You have to have money to craft, I found out. Nevertheless, I figured creating SVGs digitally will open up so many doors and so many options for me. It's like an unlimited amount of creating you can do. It's like no limits to it. You can create so many things. I also figured I can make money. I can earn money and start a business for myself. That was a plus side. Before joining the course, I had no idea what an SVG was. I had no clear understanding of what an SVG actually is based on what I know now. Well, after taking the course, I gained so much knowledge and I have so much progress, a tremendous amount of it, I should say, based on where I started. And I'm still learning, and that's fine, but I have made progress from when I first started to now. I would definitely recommend taking SVG Superstar. The instructions are really simple. It's step by step, so it's easy for you to follow. It's no time. The coach is amazing. She's always available to help. She's open to any questions you have. She's really knowledgeable in this field. So I would definitely recommend you guys taking the SVG Superstar course.